بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبح اسم ربك الأعلى.
Glorify the name of your Lord, the Most High,
الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى.
who created and perfectly fashioned all, and who ordained precisely and inspired accordingly,
والذي أخرج المرعى.
and who brings forth green pasture,
جعله غثاء أحوى.
then reduces it to withered chaff.
سنقرئك فلا تنسى.
We will have you recite the Quran, O Prophet, so you will not forget any of it,
إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى.
unless Allah wills. Otherwise, He surely knows what is open and what is hidden.
ونيسرك لليسرى.
We will facilitate for you the way of ease.
فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى.
So always remind with the Quran, even if the reminder is beneficial only to some.
سيذكر من يخشى.
Those in awe of Allah will be mindful of it.
ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي.
But it will be shunned by the most wretched,
يصلى النار الكبرى.
who will burn in the greatest fire,
ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا.
where they will not be able to live or die.
قد أفلح من تزكى.
Successful indeed are those who purify themselves,
وذكر اسم ربه فصلى.
remember the name of their Lord, and pray.
بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا.
But you denier only prefer the life of this world,
والآخرة خير وأبقى.
even though the hereafter is far better and more lasting.
إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى.
This is certainly mentioned in the earlier scriptures,
صحف إبراهيم وموسى.
the scriptures of Ibrahim and Musa.